my name's Justin Shaw. I'm the head of game design and animation, and I'm going to be teaching you how to build a schedule. If you go to the Banner website, that's the school's website, you'll see this page. We're going to go to Blue Link. Your tabs will look different than mine because I'm faculty, but I'm going to click, you'll go to Students. I'm going to go to GradStar. I'm going to add my B number. This is not a real student profile. You'll see your name, your major, how long you have until your degree is finished, overall GPA. You'll see you need 124 credits to graduate. And I'm going to scroll down. And what you're looking for is circles that have red and are not checked. That means you need that class. And if I go over to this and I click the blue, a pop-up will show. It'll describe the class. It'll tell me that it's a Gen Ed. And if I look here, this is a summer class. But if I go down to fall, I see the CRN, which is the course registration number. You'll need this to enroll in this class. 18 out of 18 seats. If this says 0, there's no seats, so you can't enroll in that class. And it's Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 9 to 9:50. I'm going to scroll down, and we're going to start with our major classes. Now you've got a lot of classes here, and you have to figure out which ones you want to take. So what I'm going to use is this. This is the degree sheet for game design and animation. Each degree has one of these. And depending on your year, so this is the freshman year, this across this section. And if you're a freshman coming in the fall, then you'll be taking Foundations in Design, Drawing and Design 1, Art History, and English Composition, and then another general education course. You need to have 15 to 16 hours of credits every semester to graduate in 4 years. If you're wondering what a Gen Ed class is, or general education, if I come over here, this is a list of all the Gen Eds. Now you'll look at your semester and you'll find these. Now we know we need to take Foundations in Design. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to say, okay, let's find Foundations in Design. It's in here somewhere. And if for some reason you don't find a class in here, like this is an older degree sheet, then what I can do is I can search for it. If I go back to Student Information menu, I can go to, back one more, Course Search, go to the semester, hit Submit. I'm going to find the degree, so that's Art. I can actually search everything. If I click one and hold Shift and click down, I can go all the way to the bottom and search everything. But I just want Art. I'm going to hit Search. And I'm going to find Foundations in Design. And if I look at it, I've got the information here. It's Monday and Wednesday, 9 to 10:50 in Newark Art Center. It starts August 25th. Shirley Zhang's the teacher. And if I click the name, I can see how many seats there are. There's 14 seats remaining. Only one student's enrolled so far. So I can take this class. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select this. And I hit Control-C once I've selected it to copy. And I'm going to go to a Word document. And your schedule will look something like this. And I'm just going to go Control-V to paste. And if I paste multiple things or I copy multiple things, if I hold down Windows key and I hit Control-V, I can get to more paste options. I'm not sure what it is on the Mac. And now I can paste other things. And now this is course 1. And I know that it's a 3-hour credit. Now I'm going to go back to my Euclidean degree works. Where we at here? Go back to my degree sheet. Drawing and Design 1. So Drawing and Design 1, I click here, and I see that there's both of them on fall, and there's one at Monday and Wednesday at 11, and there's Monday and Wednesday at 9. I want to copy this information, Control-C or Command-C in Mac, Control-C or Command-C. And what I'm doing is creating a visual schedule so that you can send this to me so I can approve it. But I need to see the dates and times, and I need the CRN number to be able to check it. You're going to build a schedule, and you're going to use this document to know which classes to take in which semester. We're going to do the same thing with art history. And then we're going to English composition 1. And then we need another general education class, and that will come up here. And we'll just choose from one of these red boxes. Sciences are special in that you have to take a science class. That's one of these, and there's quite a few to choose from. But you also have to take a science lab. It's a 1-hour class. That means 1 credit, and I have to have a lab with it. The reason why you have to have notes, the detailed schedule put like this, is without the day and time, you can think you can take a class. Like if I go to, let's see this, I think I can take English Comp 2, but Classic Westerns, but it's not being offered because there's no day and time. So if you just copy this course, Philosophy and Ethics, and you just copy this because you found it online, it doesn't mean that that class is being offered. That's why you have to build the schedule. Now, for adding classes to your schedule, if I go back to Blue Link, once I've said yes about your schedule and I give you your enrollment PIN number, you'll go to Student Information, Add or Drop Classes. You'll add your B number. Now, this B number won't work because it's not a real student. And it will give you, once you're clicked through this to submit, it'll give you options, places to place the CRN numbers. So you'll go here, you will select the CRN number, it's a 5-digit number, and you will paste it in and you'll hit submit until you have your class schedules built. Hopefully that helps you figure out what classes to take. And just in case it doesn't, inside this class search, you can search for tons more classes in case you want something that's other than the classes required, in case you've done others. And if you import classes from other schools, sometimes there won't be classes, so you can just email me about that. Once you've built your schedule, you're going to select it and make sure that you have your full name, your email, and your B number, along with which schedule. You're going to copy this, Control-C, and you're going to paste this into an email and send it to me. I'll check it, and then I'll send you back your enrollment PIN so that you can enroll. If you have any more questions, you can always get back to me through this email. Hopefully this helps, and have a good day.